Alright, in this very last example of this section, we're going to do the opposite of what we just did. Before we've been composing functions, now we're going to decompose these functions. And so what you do here is you want to reverse the process of composing, and so the easiest way to do this is try to look for an outside function and then look for the inside function. So we're looking to write h of x as a composition of functions. So h in this case is the square root of 5x squared plus 3. And so there's often several ways to decompose the functions. But one way to do this would be to say that f of x is the outside function, and that's just the square root of x. And then the inside function then, g of x, would be what's underneath the square root, which is 5x squared plus 3. So this would be one answer. And like I said, there's multiple ways of doing this. Another way to do it would be to think of f of x as being the square root of x plus 3, and then the inside function would be what you'd stick in for x to get 5x squared, square root of 5x squared plus 3. So g of x would be 5x squared. So like I said, there's multiple ways of doing this, but the idea is probably pick the easiest outside function, and then everything else would be the inside function. Okay, and now let's just check our work here. So for answer 1 anyways, if f of x is the square root of x and g of x is 5x squared plus 3, all you need to do is check that when you take 5x squared plus 3 and stick it into f of x, that you get h of x. So that's the square root of 5x squared plus 3. So this worked out. H of x is exactly f of g of x in this case.